Hey guys, Carlos Samaniego, Tax Debt Consultants. Today's January 3rd, 2023. Just popped on my sweater. It's the end of the day. It's getting kind of a little chilly here, but wanted to talk to you about something that's really important. This is a short, quick video. Do you have unfiled tax returns? Are you kind of terrified that you haven't filed tax returns in years? Please stop everything that you're doing right now and don't make these mistakes. And that's kind of why I'm in the office this morning, why I wanted to do this video. Today alone, I've had 3 people call the office that had more than, each one of them had more than 5 years of unfiled tax returns. And one of the biggest mistakes people don't realize that not filing a tax return is a major issue with the IRS. Owing money to the IRS obviously is a big issue, but for them, not filing your tax returns are a big issue. And when you go multiple years of unfiled tax returns, you tend to think the IRS doesn't notice. Yes, they do notice. And those unfiled returns need to get done. But the problem is the IRS does not want all those unfiled tax returns. They only want 6 years of tax returns. But you have the right to file more tax returns if it benefits you or improves your situation. Maybe because the IRS filed a return on your behalf, or the state filed a return on your behalf. So the most important thing is that if you've gone more than 3, 4, 5, 6 multiple years of unfiled tax returns, hire a tax professional, preferably our firm, that knows tax returns, that knows what to do, that knows how to do an investigation to realize, to find out exactly what needs to be filed, what the IRS is looking for. Don't just go to any willing filing the tax returns. And I'm going to close it out with sharing the story. And I think I've talked about the story. I had an individual that came into my office and wanted help with this tax problem. And he had like these 10 manila envelopes that had 10 years worth of tax returns. I thought he had his records to file 10 years of tax returns. And I had asked him, I said, oh, are these the missing tax returns that need to be filed? And he goes, no, they've all been filed already. He had went to an H&R Block and had them file all 10 years worth of tax returns. Well, the IRS didn't want all 10 years. They only wanted the last 6. And the mistake was 4 years of those returns, when you add the penalties, the interest, the tax that were due, it was a 6-figure bill for those 4 years of returns. And the IRS never wanted it. So again, if you have unfiled returns, make sure you file those tax returns, but make sure you hire somebody that knows exactly what they're doing. If you want more information in regards to, I talk a little bit about this in my book, taxdebtbook.com. You can grab a free copy for yourself. Or if you just want to talk to me and talk about your situation, feel free to just give our office a call. We answer 24 hours a day, and leave us a message, and we'll be more than happy to kind of figure that out. But again, just wanted to shoot out this quick message. Again, this is Carlos Samaniego, Tax Debt Consultants, and we're here to help you. Take care for now.